After talking to Taylor, I realized with my back I needed more of a maintenance plan, and that was something that I realized that for your overall health, that's a really important thing to look into doing, is just making sure that everything is maintained in good alignment and just good form. And so I came in with that idea coming forward and realized that would be a good option for me, and going forward and working with him, that's been really beneficial for me. He went through and did the scan, and we've done that 3 to 4 times already, and just looked to see where my back is and where it's going, and see how I've progressed, which I think is really important. That's something that I've been skeptical with chiropractors is, do we see improvement? If I don't feel it, is something really happening? And with the scan, it really helps reinforce that things are moving, things are changing, and even in your daily life, things are always moving and changing in your back. And so it's important just to make sure you know what's going on. I've never been to another chiropractor before, so to see Dr. Taylor in such a very gentle, non-painful way of really doing a lot of movement and a lot of good, but with a little less force into it, was really important to me when deciding whether I was going to use a chiropractor, because I just didn't really like the idea of someone pulling on my neck. And so that nice, easy, gentle technique that also does a lot of good work was really important for me. I work at a desk job, so having something that makes sure I'm in a line when I'm stuck sitting at a desk all day can really mess up your back. And so having this treatment has been really beneficial for me. The folks here are by far one of the best groups that are here in town. There's a friendly face always here to greet you. They know your name. I really feel like you feel like part of the family when you walk in. And then Dr. Taylor and Dr. Amanda, couldn't say more better things about them. They're friendly, they know who you are, and they're truly invested in your health. They want to make sure that you are set up for success when it comes to your health. Really impressed. There's never not a smile when you walk in the door, and I couldn't be more happy to be with Restoration Chiropractic.